Alright guys, the movie's over. It's time to go to sleep. Okay mom. Okay mom. And dad. Good night mom. Good night mom and dad. Good night honey. Good night son. Oh yeah, remember kids, go wear your pajamas, okay? Okay mom. Okay mom. Here's my pajamas. Dude, where are my pajamas? Don't worry, I'll find it for you. There he is. Here you go, brother and sister. Good night. Good night. Good night, sister. Let me go play my Minecraft game a little bit. Let me see if the kids are sleeping. I know you were sleeping. Now go to bed. But mom, can I please play this Fortnite game with my friends? No, good night. Fine. Let me just record it and my friends will like my channel. Let me see. I know it. Good night. But mom, can I please finish this recording so my friends will subscribe my channel? No, good night. I already asked your brother. Oh, fine. Good night, honey. Good night, dear. Wait. Hey, what is that noise, honey? I don't know. Go check it out. Oh my god, it's a tornado right here. Dude, we need to hide. Go in the basement. Let's go throw the kids. Hey, son, wake up. Huh? Why are you guys awake? It's like 4 in the morning. I don't care. There's a tornado warning. What? What do you mean there's a tornado warning? Yes, so we need a guy hiding in the attic now. Hey, daughter, wake up. Mom, go back to sleep. It's like 4 in the morning. I don't care. There's tornado warning. Tornado? Yes, I'm serious, darling. Let's go hide in the basement now. Dang it, I forgot we don't have a basement. Looks like we get out of the bathroom. Hide. Yeah. Wait, I need to get my phone. No! Come on, let's go. But I need my phone. Get you minutes later. Ooh, what is that noise? Do. Let me go get door. Hello, why can I help you, kid? The tornado got my mom. What? Not your mom. She's dead by a tornado. Don't worry, we'll get you your mom, okay? Okay, how would that happen? I don't know. I'll be your mom, okay? Okay. Oh, that makes me sad. But we can stay in our house all day. We'll be your mom. She will be your sister. He will be your dad, and she will be your brother. Oh, thank you so much for help adopt me.